Mayeni was very happy to saw Musamseleku and Makumalo on season 8. They fight each other about her issue and Musamseleku is taking her side. That's Mayeni what she want. Musamseleku was taking Mayeni's side to win Mayeni because he thinks very well that he have to choose between Makumalo and Mayeni. It's obvious Musamseleku can choose Mayeni. That's why Makumalo got upset because Makumalo saw those things because Mayeni doesn't attend Makumalo's wedding and Musamseleku doesn't have a problem. But Musamseleku is fighting for Mayeni that Makumalo said, Makumalo, you said Mayeni is delusional. And Musamseleku was fight for that bottle because he wants to win Mayeni. He knows that if they don't get along with Makumalo, it's okay. But he doesn't want to lose Mayeni. If Musamseleku, people they can say between Makumalo and Mayeni, who you can choose. Musamseleku can choose Mayeni over Makumalo. You know that, guys. Imagine your men, you say you are on East Temple. Imagine it yet. Even other men they watch, Musamseleku is choosing another wife and leave another wife. Because at that time they don't get along. And Musamseleku said, I don't care. I can eat if even Makumalo she is upset. But when it comes to Mayeni, it can't be happen. Makumalo, guys, I feel the pain for Makumalo. Even other men, they watch that show that you say you are on East Temple and Makumalo, she is still there. What she is doing because her husband never choose her. And Musamseleku will never choose Makumalo.